How to actually save for a big purchase without going broke. Thinking about buying a car, a house, or that dream vacation. You don't need to live like a hermit to save up. Let me show you how to save for big goals without losing your mind. We've all been there. You want that one big thing, but your bank account says, try again. Let's change that. Here's how to actually save for big purchases the smart, fun way. Step 1. Know your target first. Know exactly what you're saving for. Write down the amount. Break it into small, monthly or weekly goals. Saving $10,000 feels huge, but saving $200 a week, totally doable. Step 2. Create a separate savings bucket. Open a separate savings account just for this goal. No mixing with your bill money. Think of it like a vault. You lock it away and forget it. Step 3. Automate it. The easiest way to save? Automate it. Set your bank to move money every payday before you spend it. Out of sight, out of spend. Step 4. Cut the sneaky leaks. It's not the big expenses, it's the sneaky ones. Daily coffee, random Lazada hauls, late night bubble tea. Cut back on 2 to 3 small habits and boom, you've got savings. Step 5. Use the 24-hour rule. Impulse buys will ruin your vibe. Use the 24-hour rule. See something you want? Wait a day. If you still want it tomorrow, maybe it's worth it. If not, savings win. Step 6. Make it visual. Savings goals are more fun when you can see the progress. Use a printable tracker or create a digital bar that fills up every time you have money. It's like a video game, but for your wallet. Step 7. Reward yourself on milestones. Hear the savings milestone? Celebrate it. Not by spending $500 on new shoes, but maybe with your favorite with $10 dessert. Small wins keep you going. Step 8. Use found money. Got a tax refund? Birthday angpao? Bonus from work? Drop it straight into your goal fund. Free money. Free boost. Let's recap your new savings superpowers. 1. Know the goal. 2. Separate account. 3. Automated. 4. Cut the leaks. 5. Wait 24 hours. 6. Visual tracker. 7. Milestone rewards. 8. Found money. That big purchase, totally within reach. If this helped, give it a like and hit subscribe for more money tips that actually make sense. And tell me, what big thing are you saving for?